What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. Apologies for not uploading last week. I was feeling under the weather, so I just decided to obviously just take the break for the week. But yeah, in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is installing my new clutch stop. So the reason I've got this is because when I previously drove Sonny's M135i, I'll link the video along that video at the end of this video along in the description as well. But yeah, when I was driving his car, I instantly felt the difference straight away. So I've obviously ordered one off eBay, so here it is. This is the part here itself. Not very exciting, that just spins around, but that's obviously to screw it into place like so. But yeah, what I want to do is obviously show you guys exactly how to install this, so let's just jump into it. So guys, to obviously locate the clutch stop on your car, you just look at where the clutch pedal is, and then if you have a look behind that, it'll be that little thing there what I'm zooming into. What you'll just then need to do is just get a flathead screwdriver and literally just pry it out, and it will just pop out. So I'm going to obviously do that off camera, as it's just me on my own as usual. So yeah, so I'll just pry that out. Once I've got it out, I'll show you what it looks like. Yes guys, so finally got that out. As you can see, that's the original one, and then this is the new piece. So as you can see, this is split up into two pieces. So I'm obviously referring to 1 and 2 here. What this is, you need to put this behind that silver plate there. Let me just light that up. It's a light on there. You need to put that behind that silver plate, and then obviously with the actual clutch stop itself, you need to screw that in, and then that puts it, the second bit puts it into place. So I'm just gonna obviously do it off camera now and then show you guys what it looks like. Yes guys, so that's finally in place now, as you can see, and there's a lot less travel now, so the driving experience is going to be so much better now. I can't wait to actually test this out. But yeah, that's exactly how to install a clutch stop. What I'm going to do is in my next video, well, one of my next videos, sorry, should be in a few weeks time. I'm going to be testing out my well, doing a month review of the Bluespark box. So obviously I'll have some driving impressions of that along with this as well in that video if you want to follow up on it. Yes guys, so it's a nice short and simple video for today. It's not something I'd normally make, but yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel as well. It really helps me out. I've got a lot of exciting cars coming to the channel as well. I've decided not to just obviously stick to BMW, so there's going to be some amazing cars coming to the channel. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.